spider snapping with a grin. B is for bear with honey on his chin. C is for cat who purrs in the sun. D is for dog who loves to run. E is for elephant, big and grand. F is for frog who leaps to land. G is for giraffe, so tall and sweet. H is for horse with galloping feet. I is for iguana, basking in the light. J is for jaguar, swift in the night. K is for kangaroo, hopping so high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging from trees. N is for newt, who's easy to please. O is for owl, wise and round-eyed. P is for penguin in a chilly slide. Q is for quail, quiet and small. R is for rabbit with a soft white paw. S is for snake who slithers and hisses. T is for tiger, giving fierce kisses. U is for urial with twisty horns. V is for vulture, flying through storms. W is for whale, singing deep songs. X is for Xerus, where he belongs. Y is for yak, fluffy and fun. Z is for zebra, on the run.